Stop playing with yourself, Hooper. Slow ahead, if you please. You heard him. Slow ahead. Slow ahead. I can go slow ahead. Come down here and jump some of this shit. You're gonna need a bigger boat. Shut off that engine. That's a 20-footer. 25. 3 tons of it. You're gonna need a bigger boat, right? Gotta get to work. But how do we handle this? How do we handle this? Go up front, Martin. I need you. It's circling the boat, Look at the size of it. Move up, move up. Come on, come on.
Amity Point Life Station to Orca. This is Amity Point Life Station to Orca. Come in, Orca.
Orca, come in.
I have Miss Martin Brody here.
Put her on. Come on, Martin, come on. Move, 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 move. I'm not going out there. Beyond the edge of the barrels. Go to the end of the barrels. Further out. What? Further out. Why? Go further out. What for? Will you go to the end of the pulpit, please? What? Will you please go to the end of the pulpit? What for? I need to have something in the foreground to give it some scale. Foreground my ass. Yes, he's fine, Mrs. Birdie. He's fishing. We caught a couple stripers. We'll bring him in for dinner. We won't be long. We haven't seen anything yet. Okay, out. I need something up, Martin. I'm begging you. Martin, god damn it. Come here, darling. Come here, darling. Beautiful. Chief, once you get up on the bridge, just take it forward steady. I've never steered a boat in my life. Just watch my hand, take it steady. Mr. Hooper, attach the end of this line to the first keg. Gotta take a good shot of that porker's head. He's coming. He's coming. Hooper, get clear of the barrel. Hooper! Tie it off, will you? Your turn, Quint. Hooper, where are you? Hooper, hurry it up now and tie it on. Hurry it up, he's coming straight for us. Don't screw it up now. Don't wait for me. Come on, Hooper, come on, hurry up, tie it on. Now. Kill it, Quint, kill it. Now. Shoot. Time. What were you doing? You knew I needed to get a clean shot right in the head. All right, let's see how long that barrel takes to bring him up. Bring another barrel. I'm coming around again.